There's no the name Ikea. There's here Ikea. Just a little bit here. Wait. Okay, now we can open. I wanted to record this ChargePoint Ikea thing. So right now it's charging 6.1 kilowatt. Press on details and you can see it's charging 6.1 kilowatt and it's 7,007 kilowatt, 7.0692 kilowatt in 1 hours and 35 minutes. Since we left it for charging here in Ikea, we went for the breakfast or the lunch, and it was one car here charging. So at the time that car was charging 6.1, but when I plugged my car, it was shared 3.2. Now it's 6.1 because that guy left. And of course the other guy doesn't like you when you share because the charge power goes halfway. But it's still better than at home. I charge normally 1.4 normal charger or 7.2 on my fast charger. But it's nice. It's really good, right? You go to a store, have a breakfast or something, and then you have your car charged. Let's check how much is charged. Oops, almost tripped for this thing here. Let's see how much is charged. Then is another guy, Tesla, here charging, and yeah, maybe I can just quickly show you here underneath how it's shared between these two guys. What is that? What happened? Close. Oh, I don't know what happened. Anyway, these two guys are charging. Oh, it's back now. 6.2 charged. I'm gonna press details. 3.1. See? So they share. I don't. That's why it has 6.1. Now let's see how much is charged. What does it say? Does it charge how much? It was a 30 something, 36, I think 34. Now it's 6 kilowatt charging. Good deal. 6 more hours and it would be fully charged. That's very good, right, kids?
Yes.
Yeah. It's very good. So press unlock. And it's done. And it's back. You put it here, lock it, and you have the details. How much? Done. It's good. It's good deal. Thank you, Ikea, one more time. Have a nice day and be happy. Bye bye. Thanks for watching one more time.